So you need to know the definition of oxidation and reduction, and there are three ways you can define them. Oxidation is gain of electron or loss of hydrogen, or the oil rig. That is, oxidation is loss of electron. For example, carbon and oxygen give carbon dioxide, carbon gaining oxygen, that's an oxidation reaction. Methane plus oxygen give carbon dioxide and water. CH4 is losing hydrogen, so that's an oxidation reaction. And Cl minus converting into Cl2 plus 2 electron. As it is losing 2 electrons, it is an oxidation reaction. For reduction, it's loss of oxygen, gain of hydrogen, or gains of electron. So copper oxide plus zinc is copper and zinc oxide. So there's loss of oxygen by the copper, gain of oxygen by the zinc. H2S plus chlorine is HCl plus sulfur, loss of hydrogen by the H2S, and Na plus plus electron is Na, is a gain of electron by the sodium. Okay, so I hope this oxidation and reduction definitions is clear to you, because in the exam they can give you a reaction and they can ask you to say whether it's an oxidation and reduction. You have to look for these three cases.